Many were disappointed when the iPod Touch 3rd generation was launched and it didn't come with the camera as featured on the iPod Nano 5th generation. And what I'm going to do now is explain to you that there still is a huge possibility that the iPod Touch will come with a camera very shortly. They could wait till next year to do this, but I very much doubt it because it was planned and they had technical difficulties with it down at Apple, if the rumour is true. Now, you probably remember a while back this image was released with the camera looking like the iPod Touch, because this was the iPod Touch rumoured model, and the camera looked like it was from an iPhone, and you got the little microphone there too, and everyone thought, no, fake, this has got to be fake, and it was presumed fake for a very long time. And then recently, when the 3rd generation Touch was released, the insides were proved to be almost identical to the insides of this, and leaving a space for the camera. Now, this is the inside of the iPod Touch 3rd generation that we have now, without the camera, and you can see there is enough space for the same camera in here, and it's just a blank space. You can see there's a bit of depth to it in this picture. And now, if we look at the insides of this one here is the same as this one is the inside, and you can see the circle is the camera, that little square there. You can see there's no insides to it, that's a square which is the camera lens. And then, if we put it side by side with this picture, you can see, even though this picture in the background here was the one with the camera, and it was released a long time before the one that we have today, they're exactly the same, proving that this is some kind of real product from Apple, because you can see all the chips here are in the exact same position, all of the bits down here are in the exact same position, everything adds up, and there is that same space there, but in the rumoured camera model it is space that has been filled up. Now, this is a view from it in the back, in our one that we have out today, and you can see there's a clear space there for it too. Now, this is a 2nd generation one, which also proves that this one here is real, because this is the older model you can see, and if this was fake and just a 2nd generation with a camera in it, like they said it was, it would look like this, but it would have a camera module in the top. But it doesn't, it looks exactly like the one we have now, which is the 3rd generation, and that is the one over here, which has the ring round it. This is the one with the camera, and everyone is saying now that that here is the space that we're going to have the camera in. Also, there was an iPod Nano 5G case picture, which was rumoured that was released, and that pretty much summed that up, and everyone thought that was fake too. But it turns out it wasn't, it was an actually very real picture. And also, there was an iPod Touch 3rd generation case sort of rumoured at the same time, which I can't show for copyright reasons, but you can Google it, just type in iPod Touch 3rd generation case, and it's red, and you can see, if I look at the picture here, you can see that on the case it has the exact right place. It goes around the camera, around the microphone, dips back out, and goes around the camera, so you can see that that is probably a real case too, as this one was. So that's pretty much it. You can definitely see the space in the newer model where the camera module should go, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I presume the guys down at Apple will still try and get this product out as soon as possible, because they couldn't get it out due to technical difficulties. So let's hope all these rumours are true.